Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3 and let me share with you how to manage a Google account on this device. So basically how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the accounts section. Of course we've got whole Google section right here and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me enter it, and here we've got a previously added Google account. So let's begin this whole operation with removing it. So basically in order to remove an account you have to tap on it and simply tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And we have to verify that it is, in this case, me. So you can use the pattern, PIN or password, whatever kind of screen lock you've got. And something should happen. As you can see, we just, after a second, we just got back to the accounts and our account simply disappeared. So now let's add new one. So let's tap on add account. Choose, of course, Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And it doesn't really matter, you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Alright, and here from this tab we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, as you can see, I've got it saved, so just let me tap on it. Let me tap on next. And here we will have to enter in the password. So let me do this out of the screen. And I just wanted to share with you a quick disclaimer. You do not have to enter the full email address, and just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So I've just entered the password. Let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. Right here we can check Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need and you want to check. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just scroll it and tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your CUBOT MAX 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.